we can think of division as equal sharing. When I look at the number sentence 140 divided by 4, I am thinking to myself, I want to share 140 4 ways or into 4 equal groups. Now to begin with, I don't know what the answer to this number sentence is. So what I want to do is I want to share out what I think is the most reasonable amount that would go into 4 groups. I could safely start by saying that I could place 20 into each group, and that would equal 80 because 80 is less than 140. So I could start off by sharing 20 out into each group and see how I go. Now that I've shared 20 out to each group, I am left with 60. Now I have to think about what would be a reasonable amount to share out amongst 4 groups from my 60. Well, I could safely say that I could give out 10 more to each group. So let's do that. Now that I've given out another 40, I know that 60 take away 40 leaves me with 20. Now that I'm left with 20, I know that I have to divide 20 among 4 groups. And I know that 20 divided by 4 is 5, so let's share out 5 more. Now that we've shared out 140 evenly among 4 groups, we can solve our problem. All we have to do is add up what is in one group. 140 divided by 4 is equal to 35 because we can find 35 in each of the 4 groups. In summary, we can see division as equal sharing. We started with 140 and we shared out 80. We then had 60 left over and we shared out 10 more to each group. We then had 20 left over, so we shared out another 5 to each group. 20 plus 10 plus 5 is 35 in each group. 140 divided by 4 is 35. This video goes very quickly, so to make it easier on yourself, go back to the start, watch the first part and pause the video. Think about what it is that we are doing. Wait for the second part of the video, pause the video and think about what it is that I'm doing next. Take the steps slowly. Take your learning slowly. I know the video goes fast, but if we pause the video and we slow down, you'll get the idea of the division as equal sharing strategy.